hey, if you're at home just making some coffee on a nice home machine, something like this Breville machine or Breville grinder, I'm going to talk you through just the simple process of making the 3 most popular drinks. That would be the flat white, the latte, and the cappuccino. So in this video, I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm not going to get into all the technical stuff that we normally do with making coffee. I'm just going straight into the portafilter. I've dialed it in a little bit, but I can spend a lot more time playing around at the moment. I've just got it set to give me a good amount of dose in there. I do have some extra tools here, like the NCD that's going to help, and a self-leveling tamp. But we'll just run, just even using the pre-settings. So I'm going to grab this 2 single shots from that 1 double shot button. Now today, I'm using our Champion blend. The Champion blend is our medium roast. It's a house blend and it's delicious. Nice milk, chocolatey flavors, and one that runs really nicely through a Breville machine or a home machine. You can also grab it in at one of our cafe partners as well. So with these 2 shots, one my flat white and one my latte, I'll get my steam going. I just want to purge that. Make sure you purge any water and out of the line. Make sure your steam is completely up to speed. And we'll just run some steam in here. Get that to push around. Now, the thing that I'm focusing on when I'm thinking about a flat white is we're always trying to get movement through the milk. We want it to spin, but we only want to add a small amount of air. Just listen to those small bubbles. Always small bubbles, but it just depends on how long you're going to run that adding air for. Once I can't hold that, I'll turn that off. Let it completely finish steaming. Jug comes down. That needs a clean and a purge. While I'm at it, I'll just quickly steam my latte milk as well. Same thing again. We want that movement of the milk spinning. Find the position that's just off center. Find the spot that's going to make it spin. But this one, you'll hear that I'm just adding I'm adding air for a lot longer. Not necessarily big, loud bubbles, but I'm still kind of integrating some air into this milk just to give it a bit more texture. And again, I hang on to the side, can't hold that. I'll turn that off. That needs its clean. Nice little purge. I'll grab my first milk. How do we go? We got some nice thin milk, nice silky smooth milk. Now I've done a bunch of videos on how to make your milk silky smooth and kind of talk through that process. So we'll put some links in. Check out those videos if you want to learn how to spin better, silky smooth milk, pour latte art. They're the videos you need to go watch. But for now, this flat white's just going to be a nice thin base there. Yum. There's my flat white. I've got, again, nice silky smooth milk there, but this one, a little bit more texture to it. So this one is my latte milk. Now, here in Australia, we'll go flat white in a 190 ml cup. A latte's in a 220, so it's a little bit softer on the strength there. Traditionally, a flat white will have 5 mils of froth, and a latte will have about 10. We'll see that. So that's my flat white, my latte. And let's just quickly whip out another single shot for my cappuccino. So obviously while you're entertaining guests, you can only go so fast and make so many coffees on a machine like this, but it's amazing to have coffee in your home. And did you know that if you're actually in the States, in America, or in Canada, you can now buy Artisti coffee. So go to artisticoffee.com. It's not the Australian site, which is artisti.com.au, but you can buy our coffee. So if you're in the States and you've been watching our content and learning how to make coffee, we would love it if you could experience our coffee. You're literally buying the coffee that's roasted here in the Artisti factory. We're not having it roasted overseas or any of that. We're literally shipping it from Australia. So you're getting authentic Artisti coffee all the way to the States and Canada. So definitely check that out. And if you do buy Artisti coffee, please share it on Instagram, TikTok. Let us know how the flavor is, which is your favorite. And we'd love to start to, really get our coffee out there, and the community that's been supporting us to make coffee this whole time can now enjoy our coffee beans in the States and in Canada. So, and of course, if you're in Australia and you want to make delicious coffee from home, you can buy these extra accessories. You can buy our coffee. Now this is my cappuccino milk. I'm just still adding air. Still want the little bubbles. I'm just going to add air for longer, almost all the way to the end, till I turn that off. Now you can buy a thermometer. I'd be aiming for about 65 degrees maximum. And this is silky smooth, nice. It's kind of just that bit thicker, bit more textured. Now, if you know us Aussies, we love a bit of chalky on our cappuccinos. That's actually what makes it a cappuccino here in Australia. So sometimes we can do this little trick where we'll put the chalky on the shot, get our nice creamy textured milk straight on there, blend that up. We just get a nice thick milk, and that would be about 15 mils of froth. So there you have it. They are the 3 most popular coffees. So if you can pour them out for your friends, happy days. My personal favorite, I drink heaps of lattes. Plenty of lattes, and I often will use the full double shot to myself. What's your favorite coffee? Is this how you make it in your country or in Australia even? And what do you drink? What's your favorite coffee of these 3? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you again for supporting the channel. We'd love for you to try our coffees. Make sure you grab some coffee online. And if we can help with any accessories, jump online. We can help you with that as well. So thank you for watching. Enjoy the coffee, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.